Automation is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity in today's fast-paced world. Imagine having the power to streamline your business processes all from the palm of your hand. Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Huck, and today we're diving into the world of Make.com's Apple iOS integrations. Imagine triggering complex workflows with just a tap of your phone, or having your iOS device seamlessly feed data into your automation ecosystem. Sounds pretty sweet, right? In this video, we're going to unpack all the features from Make's iOS app, walk through the setup process, and show you how to create your first iOS power scenario. And most importantly, demonstrate practical use cases that can transform the way you do business. By the end, you'll not only understand how to use the app, but also create powerful automation scenarios that can save you time and effort. Let's dive in. The Apple iOS app from Make offers a robust set of event monitoring features that allows you to automate tasks based on various triggers from your iPhone or iPad. Let's go over them one by one. First, we have the watch button trigger. The module allows you to create custom buttons in the app that can manually trigger scenarios. This adds a layer of control for more complex scenarios where you need to trigger actions at specific times. The Watch Calendar module monitors your iOS calendar for new or updated events and triggers the automation based on those. Next is the Watch barcode and QR code. This feature triggers actions when you scan a barcode or QR code from within the iOS device. The Watch Contacts module tracks changes in your iOS contacts and triggers your automation based on that. The GPS location module allows you to monitor entrances to or exits from a specific geo-fenced area and triggers your automation based on the activity in that location. The Watch Photos module triggers actions whenever a new photo is taken from the iOS device. And the last module is the Watch Reminder module. This module detects when a new reminder is created or an existing one is updated. Each one of these modules provides a powerful way to monitor and respond to events in real time, allowing you to create automation scenarios that are tailored to your specific needs. Whether it's keeping your calendar synced, tracking location-based activities, or managing your contacts or reminders. The iOS app isn't just about monitoring events and triggering automations. It also enables you to perform actions directly from your iOS device. These actions can be automated or triggered manually, giving you immense flexibility in how you manage tasks and workflows. Let's explore these capabilities and some practical examples of how you can enhance your productivity using these actions. First is the creating calendar events. This module allows you the ability to automatically add events to your iOS calendar. Then is the creating contacts module, which creates a new contact directly in your iOS device through the app. Next is the adding reminders, which is similar to the calendar events. You can also create reminders in your iOS device through the app. Then is send a push notification. One of the most powerful features is the ability to send custom notifications through your iOS device, and this module allows you to do that. Lastly is the upload photo module. This allows you to directly upload a photo to your iOS device or other connected devices. These action-based features are designed to enhance the way you interact with your iOS device, turning it into a powerful tool for automation and productivity. Whether it's sending reminders, managing your calendar, or uploading photos, these actions allow you to focus more on what matters and less on repetitive tasks that slow you down. These action features aren't just about doing things faster, they're about creating smart, interconnected systems that work for you. They're about ensuring every piece of information, every task, every connection is captured and put to use. By integrating these capabilities in your workflows, you can achieve a higher level of efficiency and ensure that your processes are smooth and streamlined. The Makes iOS app isn't just a companion for your mobile device, it's a bridge that connects your daily tasks with the broader goals of your business or your personal goals. These possibilities are vast, and with the right steps, you can transform your iPhone into an automation tool that drives your business forward. There's also the additional feature of batch sync, which isn't mentioned here. The batch sync feature allows you to send all your contacts and calendar events to Make scenario at once. This is particularly useful for businesses that need to ensure that all their data is synchronized at the start of a project and after a significant update. An example of this would be, let's say you're starting a new marketing campaign and need to ensure that all your contacts and calendar events are up to date across all the platforms. The batch sync feature allows you to push all this information to an automation, and then you can add that information to your CRM and project management tools in one go, eliminating the need for manual syncing and reducing the risk of data discrepancies. At its core, the app is designed to turn your iOS device into a powerful automation hub. It's about making your phone work for you and not the other way around. No more switching between apps, no more manual data entry, no more forgotten tasks, just smooth, seamless automation. The key features we just discussed, such as the event monitoring and action features, are the building blocks of this automation powerhouse app. But the real magic happens when you start combining these features in creative ways. Make.com's iOS app isn't just a standalone tool, it's a gateway to your entire Make.com ecosystem. Every automation you create, the app allows you to interact with hundreds of other apps and services through Make.com's extensive integration. The iOS app is not just an add on, it's a powerful tool that extends the reach of your automation efforts into the mobile world. Whether you're monitoring field operations, managing schedules, or simply staying on top of your daily tasks, this integration ensures that your workflows are always at your fingertips, ready to be executed whenever or wherever you need them to be. Let's set up the app. Head over to the App Store and search for Make.com. Once you've found the app, download it. Once you've got the app downloaded, open it up and you'll be greeted with a login screen. This is to connect your Make.com account with the device. Go to your Make.com dashboard and click on the Devices tab. There will be a button to add a device on the top right corner. Give your device a name and click Continue. You'll be given a barcode that shows up on the dashboard. Scan this with your app and your phone is connected to your Make.com account. The app will ask for permissions to access certain features on your device, such as location, calendar, and contacts. These permissions are crucial for enabling the app's full range of functionalities. So be sure to allow them. You can also adjust these permissions later on in your iOS settings if needed. With your app set up and connected to your Make.com account, let's create our first scenario. The scenario that we're going to be creating today is specifically for networking purposes. Imagine you're at a conference collecting a bunch of business cards. Usually, those business cards just collect dust or get thrown away. And in the chance they don't, you'd have to read the business card, take out your phone, create a new contact, input all the details in manually, then open up your emailing app, input the details manually, and send out an email. But that's the way of the past. With automation, you just snap a picture of the business card. AI will extract the information from the business card. It's going to create a contact in your phone automatically while simultaneously sending an email to that person, letting them know it was a pleasure meeting them and we will be in touch. So to create the scenario, first thing, let's set up a trigger. You're going to use the watch photos trigger, which means the scenario will kick off every time a new photo is taken. Next, we are going to use the OpenAI Analyze Image module. This module will read the card information and extract all the text details displayed on the card. We will use the following prompt of extract all the key details from the business card image and return in JSON format following the example schema of first name, last name, phone, email, company, job title, and website. If any of these fields are not found in the image, leave them empty. This is important so that the AI doesn't add extra information in the output. And we have to reiterate to return only in JSON format and nothing else. Do not add any quotations around the JSON, just pure JSON string, because it does cause an issue when we're going to parse it in the next module. Next, we're going to map the image that we are getting from the previous module as our input for the AI to view. We're using GPT-4o model mini. This is the cheapest and fastest model at this time. Tokens, let's leave it for 300. Next, we'll add a JSON parsing module to parse the data coming in from the image. By parsing the JSON output from the previous module, we are creating mappable items for each of the key fields. Next, we'll add an action module. We're going to create a contact module and map on the output that is extracted from the AI and parsed by the JSON. So we'll collect our device and map on the first name, surname, organization, job title. We're going to add an email address and map the email on there. And lastly, add the phone number to the phones. For our final module, we're going to add a send an email module, which will send out a templated message letting the person know it was a pleasure meeting them and we'll talk soon. We're going to map on the email that has been parsed by the JSON module. Let's add the subject for our email, which is great meeting you today, and add the contents for the email, which is hi, first name, it was a pleasure meeting you today, I'll be in touch, and thanking them, and press OK. Now, here's where the magic happens. In each module, you can access the data from the previous steps. So, in the Create a Contact module, you can pull info directly from the photo and use that information to create a new contact. It's like your apps are finally talking to each other. Now, let's test it out. Let me take a picture of this business card. Watch as the make.com app springs into action, and you can see all the notifications as each step completes. Let's check out the results of our automation. So it looks like the AI that analyzed the business card has extracted all the relevant information. First name Patrick, last name Bateman, phone number is correct, along with the email and company and the job title. Since the website wasn't present on the card, it left it empty. Next, our JSON parser has parsed the JSON string into a bundle of items that can be mapped onto our next modules. A contact was created using correct surname, job title, first name, the correct email address, and phone number. As this is not a real person, I sent the email to myself. As you can see here, it used the first name and added it to our template and sent me the email. If you'd like to use this template, there's a link in my description. Go ahead and download the blueprint and import it into your scenario builder using the import blueprint feature. Once imported, you can configure the Apple iOS modules to add your devices that are connected to make.com, and you can also edit the email template to reflect whatever message you want to send. Now let's talk about the importance of automation in today's business environment. Automation is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment. It helps reduce manual tasks, minimize errors, and ensure that the critical processes are executed consistently and effectively. By integrating Make into your iOS device, you can automate a wide range of tasks, from simple notifications to complex multi-step workflows, directly from your mobile device. This flexibility not only saves you time, but also empowers you to be more proactive in managing your business operations, regardless of your location. What are some of the benefits of automating your business environment? The benefits: time saving. You can automate repetitive tasks to free up hours in your day. You can reduce human error by letting your apps communicate directly. This increases accuracy. There is flexibility when you create custom workflows that fit into your unique needs. There is increased productivity as you can stay on top of all your tasks and never let things fall through the cracks. And there is mobility. You can take the power of automation wherever you go through the app. The true power of Make.com's iOS app becomes evident when you see how it can be applied to various industries. By tailoring its features to specific business needs, you can unlock new efficiencies and capabilities. With that being said, let's explore several industry-specific use cases that demonstrate the versatility of this app. First industry, let's look at the real estate agency. Real estate agents are constantly on the move, capturing property photos, meeting with clients, and managing numerous listings. This app can streamline their tasks by automating photo management processes and setting up location-based notifications. Snap a photo of a new property and boom, it automatically gets uploaded and starts your workflow. You can add the photo to your listing platforms, tag it to the property's address, and then add it to your marketing materials. No more sorting through endless photos back at the office and adding them to your platforms. Second example would be the location-based notifications. You can set up geofences around your properties. Whenever you enter or leave, it triggers a notification to your team, updates your CRM, and logs your time automatically. It's like having a personal assistant that is tracking your every move. With this, you can track how much time you spent at the location and where all you visited. Next, let's look at the field service industry. Field service companies, such as those in maintenance or the repair industry, often need to document their work with photos and track their location of their technicians. The app simplifies these processes by automating photo uploads and utilizing the GPS tracking feature. The photo documentation use case would be to take photos before and after your repair work and have them automatically attached to the job report, send it to the customer, and sort it for quality control. No more he said, she said about the quality of your work. It's all streamlined. Then would be the job site check-in, which is the use of the GPS tracking to automatically log when a technician arrives at a job site. This can trigger a scenario that starts a job timer, notifies the customer, and pulls up relevant work order details and sends them over to the technician. In the retail industry, managing inventory and stock schedules are crucial. The app can help streamline this process through a number of automations. We can use it as an inventory management system, use the barcode scanner to quickly check prices, stock levels, and product details when stock is low. It automatically creates a new reorder request, no more empty shelves or manual stock checks. You can also use it for employee scheduling by syncing all the staff schedules from a central system and sending them out to their iPhones. You can also send them reminders of their upcoming shifts. And you can take it a step further by creating a custom button that lets employees swap their shifts. One tap and it sends a request to eligible coworkers and updates their schedule once approved, seeing who is free, who is not. For companies in the transportation and logistic industry, tracking the movement of vehicles and packages is crucial. The app can enhance these tracking capabilities through the GPS and barcode scanning. You can use the GPS tracking for fleet management. You can monitor when a specific delivery vehicle is entering a geolocation and triggers a customer notification when the package is close to them. You can use the GPS tracking to monitor delivery of vehicles entering or exiting certain zones. This can trigger a route optimization workflow, sending them details for a better route, or send your customer notifications letting them know their package is on the way. You can also scan package barcodes to instantly update their status and locations in your tracking system so that customers can have a real time update of where their package is. Construction projects require careful documentation and adherence to safety protocols. The app can help you manage these tasks efficiently. You can take progress photos that are automatically tagged with location data, timestamps, and project details. Then they're organized in your project management software so that everything is tracked neatly and no more back and forth. You can also use it to trigger location based safety check reminders. You can send reminders to your workers whenever they enter the job site of the safety protocols and all the checklists they have to do for that specific area. Event management companies need to coordinate numerous details from scheduling to attendee management. You can streamline these processes using the app. You can sync the events details and add them to your staff's iPhone calendars. You can also create an attendee check-in system by creating QR codes and scanning the QR codes to check in. By scanning the barcode, you can trigger welcome emails or text messages, update the attendance list, and even personalize the attendees' event app based on their attendance. Marketing agencies often handle a large volume of content and need to track time spent on a client project. You can automate these tasks and improve the efficiency by using the app. You can use it as a photo management tool. Photos taken at a client's event can automatically be uploaded to a content library where they can be organized and tagged for easy retrieval. This can ensure that the valuable content is always available when you need it. Additionally, you can use the app as a geolocation tracker for time spent at client sites, automatically logging in these business hours in your agency's time tracking system. This helps to ensure accuracy and billing of work hours to the client. In the healthcare sector, managing appointments and ensuring timely reminders are key for providing quality care. As a healthcare provider, you can sync your iPhone calendar with your clinic's appointment system, ensuring that all the patient appointments are accurately reflected in their schedule. Additionally, you can automate reminders to send to your patients about upcoming appointments and reduce the likelihood of missed visits. This app also allows you to manage patient follow ups and creating reminders for healthcare providers and to check in on their patients after appointments. You can also use the app for inventory tracking. By using the barcode scanning feature, you can track the usage of supplies and medications, automatically updating the inventory and trigger reordering when the stock is low. In manufacturing, maintaining quality control is essential. For example, QR codes on products we scanned. If any checks are missed or fail, the app triggers an alert to the relevant team members, ensuring that the issues are addressed promptly. This automation helps maintaining high standards of quality and reducing risk of defective products reaching their customers. It can also be used to log equipment usage. You can scan the barcode on the machine and that starts a timer. This data can trigger maintenance schedules, order necessary parts, or assign technicians. Let's look at some general use cases that can be used in your daily life or generally across multiple industries. While the above examples are industry specific, the Make app also offers general automation solutions that can be applied across various sectors. Some examples of this would be an expense tracking system. You can use it for CRM integration, where you can automatically create a contact in your iPhone when a new lead is added to your CRM system, notify the team of a new lead, and create a reminder for follow ups. You can use it as an event networking tool. After scanning a business card, you can retrieve digital contact information. It can be used as an expense tracking tool where you take a photo of a receipt and have it automatically logged into your expense reports, categorized, and submitted for approval. You can also use it to onboard new employees, automatically creating contacts for all your key members in your new hire's phone. You can also use it as a task management tool where you can set up location based reminders, such as entering your office building could trigger notifications of all your daily tasks and top priorities for the day. These industry specific use cases illustrate the versatility of the iOS app. By tailoring these features to meet the unique needs of your business, you can unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity. Whether you're in real estate, healthcare, logistics, or any of the other fields, the app can be customized to support and enhance your operations, making it an invaluable tool in your business toolkit. We've explored the basics, we've seen industry specific applications, but now let's make things interesting and look at how you can combine multiple features to create some interesting automations. An example would be the super networker system. You attend a conference and you snap a photo of the speaker's presentation slide. The app then sends it over to your automation where it uses OCR to extract the speaker's name and the topics being discussed. It then searches your email for any previous interactions with the speaker while simultaneously pulling up the speaker's LinkedIn profile and the last tweets. As you're walking up to introduce yourself to the speaker, the app prepares a personalized greeting based on their work and shared connections. And after the chat, you can create a audio note to Siri that triggers a scenario where you create a contact, send a LinkedIn connection, and boom, you're a super networker, all because of your iPhone and make.com. Why stop there? Let's look at another application I call the smart home office setup. Your phone detects when you enter your home office area. This triggers work mode scenario, which adjusts the smart lighting in your office, starts a Spotify playlist, and changes your Slack status to at work. It then pulls your calendar for the day, cross references all the tasks on the list, and creates a prioritized agenda for things to do. Throughout the day, it tracks the time you spent on different apps and projects. When you leave your home office, it triggers an end of day scenario that compiles a productivity report, updates your timesheets, and even starts your robot vacuum. It's like having a personal assistant, office manager, and a productivity coach all in one. These advanced applications aren't just about doing more. They're about working smarter. They're about creating systems that adopt to you and not the other way around. And there you have it, folks. We've just taken a tour of Make.com's iOS app. And what a journey it's been. From basic features to industry specific use cases, and all the way to some advanced applications that seem like they're out of a sci fi movie. But this isn't science fiction. It's here and now it's all at your fingertips. As we've explored through this video, the iOS app for Make is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your workflow no matter your industry. Let's recap some of the things we've done. We looked at, let's recap some things we, so let's do a recap. The Make iOS app turns your iPhone into a powerful automation tool. It can monitor events, take actions, and access data all in real time. From real estate agents managing photos or logistic companies tracking deliveries, the app's versatile features make it an indispensable part of your business toolkit. True power lies when you're combining these features and creating custom, complex workflows. By integrating the Make.com iOS app into your daily operations, you're not just adopting a new tool, you're embracing a smarter, more efficient way of working. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's about ensuring consistency, reducing errors, and enabling you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and serving your customers. The possibilities are endless, limited only to your imagination and the problems you want to solve. Hopefully, some of the examples I gave got your automation creative juices flowing. Experiment with different scenarios and gradually build a system that works seamlessly for your business processes. But remember, all these fancy features don't mean a thing if you don't use them. So here's my challenge to you. Download the app, set one automation, just one, and I promise when you see the magic happen, you will be hooked. Start small with experimenting with different scenarios. The future of work isn't coming, it's here. And with the Make.com iOS app, you're not just ready for it, you're leading the charge. That being said, thank you for joining me in this deep dive into Make.com's iOS app. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And also, please provide your feedback in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you might have, and even request for automation systems you want to see me build. Until next time, keep automating.